I'm very happy to be back down in Sindh today. It's to follow up on some of our Green Alliance framework projects down here. I had the opportunity earlier today to go to Mehran University where we visited the US-Pakistan Center for Water Research, one of Pakistan's leading research institutes developed by USAID in cooperation with Mehran University, working on all kinds of important projects for Sindh, sanitation, clean water, water management, resilient infrastructure, looking at ways that we can address the climate challenge together. And another important part, of course, of our Green Alliance framework with Pakistan is looking for ways to help with Pakistan's energy transformation. So had an opportunity to visit today at the Hawa wind farm, also a US financed project which is providing 50 megawatts of wind energy into the grid. USAID was instrumental in helping develop the Jhimpir wind corridor here, the premier wind power project in Pakistan, which has enormous potential to expand and contribute to Pakistan's climate goals and its energy needs going into the future. So here at the power transmission station, we're working and have been working for a number of years to help develop the grid capacity that's required to meet those challenges. So we're really excited about moving forward on these projects, whether it's renewable energy, whether it's water management, agriculture, working with a whole variety of entities here in Sindh to try to follow up on some of these commitments and looking to a better future for Pakistan and the United States. Thank you.